How do astronauts learn languages for space? Imagine being in a situation where clear communication can mean the difference between success and danger. That's exactly why astronauts spend time learning languages before heading to space. Most astronauts training for missions on the International Space Station learn Russian because it is one of the main languages used on board. The International Space Station is a joint project between many countries, with Russia being a key partner. Because of this, astronauts need to speak and understand Russian to communicate with Russian crew members and mission control. Language training begins early at NASA's Johnson Space Center in Houston. Astronaut candidates start with basic lessons in Russian, focusing on pronunciation, vocabulary, and simple phrases. As they progress, the lessons become more focused on technical terms used in space missions. This helps astronauts understand instructions quickly and respond accurately. A big part of their training involves immersion. They practice in simulators where all communication is in Russian. These simulators mimic real space conditions and emergency situations. This kind of practice makes sure astronauts can handle real-life scenarios calmly and efficiently. Astronauts also work with Russian instructors one-on-one. These sessions happen from once every 2 weeks to several times a week. The instructors teach specialized vocabulary related to spacecraft systems, emergency procedures, and mission operations. This is often called Space Russian, which is different from everyday Russian conversations. Before they are fully qualified, astronauts must pass language proficiency tests. These exams are based on standards from the American Council on the Teaching of Foreign Languages. The tests check if astronauts can speak, understand, read, and write Russian well enough to operate safely in space. Sometimes astronauts learn other languages if their mission requires it. But Russian remains the main language because of the partnership with Russia on the International Space Station. Language training is part of a larger program that includes physical training, robotics, piloting, and mission-specific skills. Overall, learning languages for space is a step-by-step process. It's designed to be practical, immersive, and ongoing. This way, astronauts can communicate clearly with international crew members and ground control, ensuring everyone's safety and the success of the mission.